Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video from How to PC channel. Today I walk you through how to show the extension file in Windows and Windows version of Windows. Let's begin. We have to walk through. First go to Share Field, go to Control Panel, click to Appearance and Personalization, and go to File Explore option and go to View. Under hidden file and folder, you have hit the extension for knowing file type. If you enable that, you will see it will disappear. Let's refresh that. Let's apply it. Apply that. See, go back. You see we have disabled that. If you need to reback that or enable that, you need to uncheck that and click apply. You'll see the extension is appear. The next method is go to File Explorer and go to View. From View, you have here File Name Extension. If you uncheck that, the file name extension is disappear. If you uncheck back, you'll see is reback again. And this video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.